Ready to level up your woodworking? Let's unbox the 12 PCS router bit set. This set comes with 12 premium router bits, each designed for clean and precise cuts. Perfect for edging, trimming, veining, and grooving in all types of woodworking projects. Each bit is made with precisely machined tungsten carbide blades for smooth, accurate cuts. Plus, the 6mm universal shank fits any router model. The bearing rollers ensure smooth and aligned operation every time. Hardened solid alloy steel main construction with power coating finish for durability and longevity. And the compact index case keeps everything organized and ready to go. The router bit set is your key to professional quality woodworking. Ready to create something amazing? Order yours today.